singer Filomena Croce. The song is called Red Tara's Earth, and it's all about connecting to the consciousness of the planet, and it's almost like a mini clearing session. It is a healing modality. We've used it in counselling and psychology practices and Reiki practitioners. It's all available on Spotify, so if we just take a few deep breaths, we can get into the music and we can experience the crystals in sound.